Why do you keep negotiating with yourself? And you know there are things you've already decided to change. Well, hey, bitches. Let's get into this real talk. You said you wanted better. Better relationships, better habits, better opportunities, better finance. So why are you still negotiating? Why are you still having the same damn conversations with yourself every single day? Maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, maybe in 6 months. Because here's the truth. Version of you that wants more is being held hostage by the version of you that wants comfort. And every time you negotiate with yourself, comfort wins. You know what needs to happen. You know what needs to change. You know what boundaries need to be set. You know what habits need to change. You know what decisions need to be made. The problem isn't clarity. The problem is commitment. Because at some point, the conversation has to end. And the actions need to begin. So when are you going to stop negotiating and start making the decision? And actually stand on it. Capiche? Love you, bye.